Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Alright, this video is going to be members only for a couple weeks and then I'll make it public. Yesterday I planted the cucumbers and it started raining last night, so I wasn't sure I was going to be able to get out and do any farther. But today, between the raining, I started planting cantaloupe. There's one of the cantaloupe. I got 8 more down here. And of course I did the milk jugs filled half to 3/4 full of water to act as a wind guard until they have a chance to do a little bit better. So now we have 8 of them. That one right here, I wish I'd spotted it first. It was kind of hidden because it was laying down growing long in the tray. I would have put it over there where that one is, because that would have gone farther up and I could actually have clipped it to the cow panel there and taken care of it. So that's what I have here, got done Sunday morning. Now there's something else I want to show you. We do have this really nasty stuff here, star thistle. You can see the flower starting to bud in the middle there. So I got to come out here with the weed removal tool, take that one out. This one I stepped on right there, take it out and get rid of them. Last year there weren't any back here, so these seeds blew in from over there along the Indian irrigation ditch. They do not maintain their ditch worth squat, and so yeah, so it blew. The weeds over there are just horrendous and they keep blowing in. I'm about ready to just go over there and start burning it, but that's not my property, so I can't do that. But yeah, anyway, so this is what I got done this morning here. Got the 24 bottles filled up, and if need be, I got some more jugs over here. I filled those up last fall from the tea manure barrel before I dumped it out on the compost pile over there. So I'm going to take this in before, because it's starting to drizzle here a little bit. I don't want to ruin my my camera here. So I'm going to now get back out here and finish weeding these out. And I think I'm going to put the yellow Spanish in this one and a little bit around the strawberry is, and then I'll put the in that one over there. I think I'll put the red burgundies over there. But all right, remember folks, you can plant a garden, you can grow food, you can save money. All right, take care.